Hey, welcome to Tutorial Law. This video explains what the statefarm.com website is and what you can expect from the service. According to State Farm, its website provides access to insurance products, online quotes, policy management, payments, claims, and other financial services. State Farm offers insurance for vehicles, homes, renters, life, businesses, and other coverage categories. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee website performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. For auto insurance, State Farm offers coverage options including liability, collision, comprehensive, uninsured and underinsured motorist, rental coverage, and emergency road service. Available coverage and requirements vary by state and policy. Customers can request an auto insurance quote through statefarm.com by providing information about themselves, their drivers, and vehicles. State Farm also offers multiple auto insurance discounts, with eligibility and savings varying by state. According to State Farm, potential discounts include options for safe drivers, students, and households with multiple vehicles. Drive Safe and Save is State Farm's usage-based insurance program. According to State Farm, customers receive an initial discount for enrolling and completing setup, with the opportunity to save up to 30% based on driving. Discounts and availability vary by state, and the program is not available in California, Massachusetts, or Rhode Island. Drive Safe and Save uses the State Farm app and a Bluetooth beacon to collect applicable driving information. Recorded driving characteristics include acceleration, braking, cornering, speed, and distracted driving. State Farm also provides homeowners insurance with coverage and discount options that depend on the property, location, and policy. Customers can bundle eligible auto coverage with homeowners, renters, condo, or life insurance. State Farm's online account lets customers view policies, make payments, manage payment methods, access insurance ID cards, and start claims. According to State Farm, customers can report auto claims online, through the mobile app, or by phone. The State Farm app also supports policy management, claims, insurance cards, roadside assistance, and Drive Safe and Save. State Farm also provides investment services and access to third-party banking products through its banking alliances. Insurance premiums, discounts, coverage, eligibility, and product availability can vary and change, so users should check the terms provided for their specific quote or policy. For users interested in insurance quotes, policy management, claims, or State Farm's other documented financial services, State Farm could be an option. Whether this website is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this website or notice anything missing or outdated.